The intelligent co-pilot, Travel Assist. Travel Assist can increase driving comfort by maintaining the distance to other cars and helping you stay in your lane. Travel Assist uses a camera to keep your Volkswagen consistently in the middle of your lane, or guide it along the preferred line. Camera and radar data enable it to automatically maintain the distance to vehicles in front. This takes the stress out of tailbacks and stop-and-go traffic. If the lane is delimited by only one marker and a crash barrier or safety curb, Travel Assist can remain active. The capacitive steering wheel will detect whether the driver still has their hands on the wheel and is in control of the vehicle. 2 radars at the back, as well as ultrasound, ensure that Travel Assist can keep an eye on other vehicles nearby and support you when changing lanes on the motorway. Vehicles detected in the surrounding area are displayed in the ID cockpit. Anonymized swarm data from other Volkswagen vehicles provided in the cloud enable drivers to even use Travel Assist on roads with only one lane marking. Travel Assist makes driving in your Volkswagen even more comfortable and is the ideal travel companion, especially on longer journeys. Use the Travel Assist button to toggle between ACC and Travel Assist. To start, press the Set button while driving. The system stores the current speed and keeps the preset distance. Press lightly on the plus-minus buttons to adjust your speed in 1 km/h increments. For 10 km/h increments, press the plus-minus buttons firmly or perform a vertical swipe. The distance to the vehicle in front can be adapted. Use the Distance button for step-by-step adjustments. Alternatively, press the Distance button once and then use gentle pressure on the plus-minus buttons or vertical swipes. Your Volkswagen now uses Travel Assist to remain in its current lane and maintain its speed while keeping the preset distance to the vehicle in front. Provided, of course, that the capacitive steering wheel detects the driver's hands. You can override the Travel Assist system at any time. If you brake or press the main switch, the system is automatically deactivated. When overtaking on a multi-lane motorway, Travel Assist can support you in changing lanes from 90 km/h upwards. Press Set to activate the assisted lane change, if this has been switched on in the infotainment system. To initiate a lane change, tap the indicator. The lane change will only be performed if the sensors have not detected any objects in the vicinity and you have both hands on the steering wheel. Your Volkswagen will now change automatically into the desired lane. You can override the system at any time through steering interventions or braking in order to interrupt an assisted lane change. That's how comfortable assisted driving can be with Travel Assist.
Volkswagen.